Ever wonder what it's like to step into the secretive world of espionage? Today, we're diving into spy gear, secret identities, and Cold War missions at the International Spy Museum.
No, it's not.
Welcome to the International Spy Museum. Your visit begins in the briefing center, where you will receive your undercover mission. Are you ready to enter the shadow world?
Yes.
Enjoy your visit, but remember, we'll be watching you.
Okay. That's kind of creepy.
Going down.
Well, for your groups, everybody head off that elevator. You guys are gonna head this way with me, okay? We're gonna head on. Where's my friend Edra? Who's gonna direct you to your briefing space?
This is one of the few museums in the world dedicated solely to espionage. There are interactive exhibits where you take on a cover identity and simulations like code breaking, bug planting, and lie detection tests. Read that rating. That's where that one goes.
I told him then that I love you. I told him that if I could show our foreign assets how to be safe, how to protect themselves, how to keep from getting caught, that they would start this.
The International Spy Museum is located near the
La Infant Plaza.
metro station, so it's easy to access.
Funds delivered to Lady in Exile. Does that mean anything?
No.
Says touch the letter in the key that matches each sim. You touch the letter right, so like here, so in G. Because okay, now this, look for that. It's here because you see this and there's a dot at the bottom. So touch the O.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay. Oh shit.
Okay, tell me.
Use my bin laden.
Allow 2 or 3 hours minimum to explore. Also, remember to buy your tickets in advance because they can sell out on weekends.
Alright, wait for this green light to come on before reaching up, okay? There you go, buddy. Alright folks, if anybody wants to try hang time, you're going to line up single file against this railing. If you're watching, you're going to stand on the dark gray area of the floor. We have to keep that path clear for folks to get through. You're doing great, bud. Well done.
Alright, 17 seconds.
Well done. Alright, reach up. Make sure you hold those feet up. Great job. Well done.
5.4.
Used for empowerment and
This is weird.
you might have heard the term tax reform. This is when organizations or even individuals use cyber tools to acquire secret information to promote a particular viewpoint or agenda. In some cases, activism serves a benefit of some kind when it exposes human rights
Do you want a room
abuses,
like this in
war
your house?
crimes, or corrupt governments. In other cases, it can be used for government purposes. In 2013, a hack of the Twitter feed led to a 136
Did you like that?
Yeah.
was your thoughts on this museum?
It was pretty cool. It was just like any other of the museums with kids. It's hard to read or look at anything that doesn't have a button to press. So I would definitely say don't waste the money on...
Wait, what Julie's trying to say is kids ruin everything.
I did not say that. Look, they had some fun. It's just not enough to make it worthwhile.
Yeah. Very true. And you exit into the gift store.
Yeah.
Of course. Okay, bud, what do you think about the Spy Museum?
Except that you wouldn't let us get ice cream.
It's all about the ice cream.